So good afternoon. Today is 25th of January. Uh, 20, year is 2025. So the trade that I took day before yesterday, or the day is 22nd January. So this was the trend line: one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, accumulation of touch, and then six and seven, and then there was a breakdown. So I had not entered here because I thought it was not an right time to enter. So I waited and I saw this touch also, and I entered like 0.3, not 0.3, 0.03. So still I was not confident enough. And then when I saw this touch and this liquidity grab kind of thing here happened, and then this red doji candle, not doji candle, red candle, showing the presence of seller and liquidity grab. So I entered at this position, keeping my one SL here. The first SL was here, and my risk to reward was, my target was this one. But the mistake what I did was I was trading with the phone, so I didn't see the risk to reward ratio. If I had follow my risk to reward ratio, then I would have booked some of my quantity at 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1.5, but I have not booked any profit, means partial profit I have not booked in any position of this trade. So I was carrying a total number of trade was like zero point 0.6 plus point, zero point 0.06 plus zero point 0.06. So I should have booked at least like 0.05 or zero point 0.06 quantities to become a risk-free trade. But I was managing the trade well. I was holding it from here, not here, from here. And when this was, means when there was a breakdown of this trend line, I added another quantity because I was seeing the potential of this trade to go to the target. So what happened here was, actually I was not targeting this. My first target was like here, this area or this liquidity, and my 20% quantity I was thinking to book it here. And see, one reason is this perfect trend line bookish setup, and there was a market shift. And another thing is your SL is my TP, or your SL is my entry. So here the liquid, after taking the liquidity, entry was here, and again one other entry was this double confirmation setup. And it, when it came down, there was a change of structure, but it again came up. And because of fear, my SL, see, first SL was like not that much up. My first SL was like here. So I, when it came down to this point, I shift, means I trailed my SL to this point. But because of extreme fear, I just saw this. Let's go to 15 minutes. So I saw this bullish trend, and because, see, this bullish trend was because of some other reason, and there was news at 2 p.m. at 2 p.m. right this area, and before that also at 1:30 there was another news, but I have not exited any quantity. I was holding all the quantity, but because of this strength of this, I exited at this doji candle, and that was my mistake. And another SL was here, means 0.03 SL was here, and 0.09 SL was here. So one was SL hit and another was manual exit. So after I exited the position, it came down. So it's part of the game. I have to stick to the plan. So this is the reason why sticking to the plan is more important, because regret is a very bad thing. So it was very beautiful setup. And let's go to euro. And the another thing is euro GBP is going down, but euros Swiss francs, that pair is going up. That's why I was not confident which way it will act. But what happened is very interesting. Let's go to that pair also. So no, this is Bitcoin. So this is the pair which I am talking about. So let's go to higher time frame. Let's go to 240 minute means. Uh, so this pair I didn't see this area, right? Okay. What I saw was, let's go to 61 hour time frame. So what I saw here was market had changed its direction, trying to go up, but before moving upside, it has tested this area multiple touch, one touch, two touch, three touch, and before this breakout only I have entered. Like here I kept my SL. First SL was like this area, then I shifted my SL to this area, and I booked profit here. I booked all the position here because I have booked the loss in that pair. So I booked profit in this pair and exited all my quantity, which I should have not done. I should have held on to my position like 20% of the trade. So it would have been a better, like suppose if I catch up to here, it is 1 is to 4. This is the best thing about forex is you can get a chance to capture risk, very high risk to reward, which is not always possible in Bitcoin. And I'm saying that it is that I am making more mistakes in Bitcoin, means more losses in Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is my favorite pair. So that's it. These are the two setups that I have traded. See, Euro and Swiss funds. See, Euro and Swiss funds. Ah, so what happening? What happening is Euro versus CH. It is overall trend is up, but in Euro GBP GBP it was going down, but kind of both having same speed. So the funda that is here is the Euro. What pulled the CHF means this pair to upside is CHF was very weak and Euro was, let's take Euro as neutral. In this two, take Euro as neutral, but CHF was very weak, and in GBP was very strong. So for example, USD INR, if the INR means $1 equal to 82 rupees, I always compare it to USD INR 82. It is going to 83, means USD is getting strength. So here Euro was getting strength, GBP was losing its strength. Acha, हाँ, GBP was losing its strength, but in CHF, CHF was no, Euro was getting its strength. Ah, it is very confusing thing. Okay, let's get fresh idea again. Euro was, let's take Euro as neutral. Okay, back button.